Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Katie Eves and I'm a Scentsy independent consultant. Today I got something in the mail from Amazon that is going to be a little bit of a cleaning hack. I saw it on YouTube from another Scentsy consultant and I wanted to recreate it and try it myself and see how good it works. So yeah, before we get into this, please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so these are foaming hand soap dispensers. I got a 2-pack, and these came with, so it comes with stickers. I think that's back, that might be backwards, I don't know, but foaming hand soap, whatever, you can stick it on these. They're little mason jars, but it's not the foaming hand soap, you know, aerator thing. And it's got measurements on the side engraved, so you can make your own foaming hand soap. Yeah, so this is 4 ounces and then 12 is up here, so we're gonna try that first, the 1:4 ratio. Okay, these are just like the tag that came on it. Now that I have both of these open and ready to go, I brought some water into my room so I can try this and, you know, make the whole video. And I've got a big straw. I use this for boba, so it's one of those big straws to mix it up with. And then this is, where'd it go? Go Mango Scentsy hand soap. Okay, I took off the packaging because I thought it was going to be clear so that I could show you like how much I have right now, because I've already started using this one, and how much I have left, but it's white. So yeah, let's see if I can show you how much is in here. Oh my gosh, like I just opened this a couple days ago. Let me see if I can show you. There's like quite a bit in there. So I didn't think about what I'm going to do with this. Okay, so we got the lid out. And then let's just see how this goes. Guess I wasn't in frame, sorry. But yeah, so that's up to this line right here. And let's add water to it. Let's spill that. Whatever, it's fine, it's just water. And then I think I could use a little more. So that is right at the 12-ounce mark, I think, right there. Yeah, let's mix it up. Get it like really coagulated, incorporated. That looks like very homogeneous. A word I haven't used since 7th grade. Science class. So grabbing the wrong lid. Oopsies. Okay. So very homogeneous, almost clear. Put on this part. Okay. I have a towel with me so I can just wipe my hands off because I'm not in the bathroom. Look at that. Nice. There we go. I love that. I love that. It's so foamy. It smells so good. course, it smells like the mango soap. That's amazing. I'm so excited for this. And this looks so much nicer in my bathroom. I'm so excited. Love it. Okay, and let's do it again. So hopefully this time I'll get the whole thing in frame. So let's see. Do this again. Okay. Ooh. Okay, that is right at, and there's like enough in here to keep. So here we are again. Put my straw in there. %, just spilled that. Cool. Yeah. Thankfully, it's just water. I'm stirring it for about half a minute. And there it is. My hand so you can see how clear it is. And then put this on top. There we are. All done. 2 foamy hand soaps from 1 bottle of Scentsy hand soap, and there's still some in here. So if I had a third, I'd probably be able to make a third hand soap dispenser. So now I'm just gonna add some labels and probably insert some pictures. Yeah, thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you do this, please tag me on social media. I'm at Krave-Worthy Scents. I'll put that in here, right here, on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok. Yeah. See ya. Bye.